What up, YouTube? Go Farm back in the grill on this beautiful day, y'all. And it's a warm day, and today I will be making a super soil mix for my herbs, and I will be telling you what herbs I'm planting in 2024 spring and why I'm planting. The why is always so important. All right, this will be my container bed, and it will consist of only herbs. So what I got, I already got thyme in there, but 2, 3, 4, 5. Rosemary, come on back. Come on back, Rosemary. You can do it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got celery in here. I guess we'll count that 12 maybe. Most likely I'm pull it up. I don't think she gonna make it. Cross your fingers, cross your fingers. But I got some pine soil. Can't show you the name of it. I just did. Hope you weren't looking. We're gonna fill these up and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna mend them with. Stay tuned.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games they play.
All right. Go back with this good old raised bed plant food, whatever you want to call it. 825. I don't care if it say raised bed. I'm gonna use it. Put a little bit. Get all them babies a little bit. I'm just prepping. Too much, baby. Don't matter. Just prepping for the spring, y'all. All right. I already got my soil in here. I got my organic fertilizer. I'm gonna add some organic compost. All right. I have my alfalfa pellets. Then I'm gonna add some vermiculite, and that should help retain moisture in the hot months. So we're gonna do that. Boy, that soil mix is almost diabolical. So I'm gonna do the rest of them. I ain't got time to play with y'all all day. I'm gonna go ahead and just do all of them. How about that?
I wanna figure out what it takes to give you everything you desire.
All right, the first one I'll be planting is cinnamon basil. Cinnamon basil has cardiovascular benefits, antibacterial benefits, and immune system health. That is why I'm growing basil. Lemon balm reduces stress, anxiety, promotes sleep, improves appetite, and is great for digestion. Definitely winner. Lemon balm tea is delicious. Add a little honey to it. Mullein is a cough reducer and has mucus thinning properties. With all the stuff going on in the world, you need something for cough and mucus thinning. Can't go wrong with mullein. I've been looking for it for a long time. This will be my first year growing. All right, I'll be growing chamomile because it helps with hay fever, muscle spasm. No, I don't have menstrual disorders. And it helps with hemorrhoids. It might be good just in case. I'm getting older. So I don't know what might happen in the future. So I'll be having chamomile. And I've tried chamomile tea last year. It is very soothing and it's delicious. All right, this would be my first year growing marjoram, but it should, and it says it controls blood sugar levels, cold symptoms, heart and health, you get it. And it relieves pain. This will be my first year. I will definitely let you know if it helps with any of this. All right, and I'll also be growing rosemary, but only because it tastes good. I'm not even looking up the benefits. Fresh rosemary in everything tastes delicious. I harvested enough where I put them in salt shakers or whatever kind of shakers you want to call them, and it was delicious on everything. It's nothing like fresh rosemary. If you get a chance, 2024, you should definitely get you a bunch of rosemary, dry it, put it in shakers. You have rosemary for the whole winter. You can't go wrong definitely growing rosemary. All right, benefits of peppermint and peppermint tea is delicious. It has a calming effect. It helps with upset stomach, headaches, and diarrhea. But if you're gonna grow this, you see that little pot at the bottom? Put it in the pot, because I've got peppermint from 3 years ago. I'm still trying to get out of my yard. It is super invasive if you don't put it in a pot. Pro tip. All right, this will be my first year growing sage. It helps with chemical imbalance in the brain with memory and thinking skills. As you get older, your mind ain't what it used to be, but that sage might just help. And it helps with cholesterol issues. Those are the 8 herbs I am growing, and those are the reasons why I'm growing those herbs. All right, the day's over me just randomly planting herbs with no plan and just plant them because everybody else said good herbs. The herbs I will be planting this year will be strategic in the things that I need and the health benefits I think will benefit my body. Let me know in the comment what herbs you're growing and let me know why you are growing those herbs. I'm out.